Hi, I'm Paul Insideinfo, and this tutorial is about creating deep atmospherics. And I'm going to show you two ways in which to do this. The first way is going to be entirely in the box, and we're going to use some synthesizers and music theory to create chords. And then we're going to process everything in Serum using some techniques that I use a lot. And then we're going to shift over into the real world and use some external hardware that I've got to create some dark drone atmospheres. And I'm going to show you some of the tools that I use to achieve that. So off we go.